Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to write the equation for the axis of symmetry of a parabola. And basically it's very easy if they give you the graph. The axis of symmetry is always either a vertical or horizontal line depending on whether it's opened up, down, left, or right. In other words, if it's opened up, what you do is you just take the coordinate of the vertex. Let's say the vertex is over here at 3 and up at 2. 3, 2. If it's opened up, or if it was opened down, the axis of symmetry is a line that cuts it in half right through the vertex. So the equation for the axis of symmetry for this one would be x equals 3, because it's a vertical line that goes through 3. Now, if it's a horizontal line, or if it's a parabola that opens sideways, like this, again, you still just find the vertex, right? So let's say this one is over -2, up +2. So its coordinate is -2, 2. The thing is the axis of symmetry now is a horizontal line that goes to the vertex. So again, I'm going to use the y value now. The axis of symmetry would be y equals 2. Not x this time, but y, because it's a horizontal line. So remember, if the quadratic or the parabola is opened up, or even if it's opened down, the axis of symmetry will be a vertical line, which is an x equals that value of whatever the x coordinate of the vertex is. If it's a parabola that opens sideways, either to the right or even to the left, again, you find the vertex. You're going to take the y value of the vertex and write y equals that value, because it's a horizontal line. Now, the next thing you're going to be asked to do is to do that with equations. But remember, all the equations in this Excel program you're going to be given are in vertex form, which will either look like this or will look like this, right? If it's y equals an x squared term, then it's opened up or down, and your axis of symmetry will be x equals that h value. If it's a parabola that opens left or right, then it's x equals, and I apologize, that should be a y, not an x, y. And then again, it's the k value, or y, because it's a horizontal line, y equals k. And if you'll notice, all I need to do is take this y, so whatever this equation is, whatever the equation is, take the variable that's being squared and set it equal to whatever makes the squared term 0, and you've got your axis of symmetry. As an example, if I give you y equals 3 parentheses x plus 2 squared plus 5, the axis of symmetry will be the x variable equals the opposite of this positive 2, because I want x plus 2 to be 0. So x equals -2. That's my axis of symmetry. Now, if I got x equals 5 parentheses y minus 7 squared plus 9, again, all that I care about is this factor that's being squared. So my axis of symmetry will now be a y equals, not -7, but +7, because 7 minus 7 is 0. The axis of symmetry is horizontal. If you have any questions on that, please do ask me in class.